Have you heard of the concept of being your own bank? Maybe you've heard it described as infinity banking. My name's Renee, and I'm a licensed insurance agent. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation that'll give you a good understanding of what BYOB, or being your own bank, is, and why it's the best solution to place your money when you don't want to leave it in a mutual fund, don't want to put it into gold, and don't want to leave it in the traditional banking system. First of all, let's set the stage so that I can establish what this banking concept is and how it essentially allows you to have full control over your money, much in the same way a bank does. This concept is nothing new. In fact, it's been around for 200 years, yet few have heard of it. This amazing money vehicle puts you in control of your money. It's been used for hundreds of years by some of the oldest and wealthiest families on the planet, and today, it's also used by high-profile athletes, entertainers, and politicians. So, at this point, you must be wondering, what is this amazing money product? Well, it's a life insurance policy, a whole life insurance policy, a very specially designed whole life insurance policy. And it's the only money vehicle of its kind that can offer you the kind of control and growth and protection of your money. Now, this type of policy isn't for everyone, but you won't know if it's right for you unless you actually know what it does. So let's take a look at some of the benefits. Your whole life policy is designed in a way that allows you to move and use your money like a bank does and offers these benefits. You get a guaranteed interest rate on the cash value accumulation portion of your policy for life. It pays dividends every year. It tax shelters your money, and it shields your money from creditors. It also keeps your money out of the hands of the courts so that if you are sued for any reason, your money in your specially designed whole life policy is off limits. You can take out the cash value up to 90% as a loan. You can also re-loan that money out at several points higher. You don't have to qualify for this loan since it's your money. And of course, since this is a life insurance policy, your beneficiaries will receive a tax-free lump sum amount upon your passing. Now, who is this good for? As you can see, many people can benefit from this. If you're in the medical system, like a doctor or a surgeon, you can see the benefits of protecting your money in this way. If you're an investor for real estate or startup businesses, this is the perfect way to fund your own deals. Now, there is one last benefit that is truly amazing for this specially structured whole life policy. And it's when you decide to use part of your cash value as a loan, you can have the option to leave it in your account and use part of the death benefit instead as your loan. And that way, the cash value stays in the account. It can continue to accumulate, yet you still have the money to use for whatever you want, like buying that fix and flip property or using it for a startup business or whatever it is you need. It's truly a genius product, and very few people know about it. Now, if any of this intrigues you and you'd like to know more, I would be happy to speak to you. You can call the number on this website, and I'd be happy to talk to you. And remember, most people, including financial advisors, do not understand this product. They may have heard of the concept in general vague terms, but they don't understand how it works, and only a licensed insurance agent designs it for you. Additionally, you want an agent, and more specifically, a group of agents who specialize in this, who can collect all the information they need about you and your life and your goals and what you are looking for the future so that they can set up this whole life policy in the best way for you. Each one of these policies is different, and it works best for people who truly understand it and appreciate the power of it and what it can do to protect their money and help it to grow. And just one last thing. Setting up a policy in this way will cost you nothing. In fact, the biggest difference between this policy and a regular whole life policy is the commission for the agent. And you may be surprised to learn that when we structure a whole life policy so that you get the maximum cash value immediately, that agent will get between 60 and 90% less in commissions from that policy. And I'd be happy to discuss this further with you and discover if this product is right for you. I'm Renee. Contact me at the information on this site. Thank you very much, and have a very prosperous day.